Hello everyone and welcome to ICT Kikkawa College Massage Therapy School. One of the techniques that I will demonstrate today is kneading. It's a technique that has many different variables, but it is a circle. So any type of technique that is circular is referred to as kneading. Now I'm using my palms and I'm circling, so this is double palmar kneading. I can also take my hands and I can alternate left, right, left, right. So this is still kneading, but done alternatively. Instead of my full palms, I can also use my fingertips, okay, and make the kneading still specific. But still it is a circle and we would refer this technique as fingertip kneading. I can also use my thumbs, and now I'm still doing circles, therefore kneading, and turn it into a thumb kneading, okay? So kneading can be done with your palms, with your thumbs, with your fingertips, even your forearm or elbow, but as long as we are doing circles, kneading it is.
Ready.
One of the techniques